Okay, watch English with Akram, and once again we have debate, and topic of debate is capitalism versus socialism. So, from 8 o'clock batch, I would like to call Rayyan Bhai, and from 2 o'clock batch, I would like to call Soya.
My name is Zoya. Today I am doing debate on a very amazing topic that socialism versus capitalism, which is good. So in my opinion, socialism is good. So first of all, I want to tell you that what is the meaning of socialism. Basically, socialism means sharing wealth equally among all people. And now if I talk about equality and fairness, so in socialism, people have equal right for living and developing. Government ensures that every people should have health, education and job. But in capitalism, there is no equality, there is no development of poor people. Totally profit goes to honor in capitalism. And if I talk about social welfare, so in socialism, there is a goal that is about well-being. But the goal of the capitalism is about profit and earning money. In capitalism, the money is very important, but in socialism, the human is important. And socialism always said that education and health is not luxury, it's a right of people. Government provide free education, healthcare and social security to the people in socialism.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum to everyone. So, as she mentioned about equal rights that people have, and there is main goal means equality among the people. So here I would like to say about the socialism. Suppose, not suppose, like in capitalism, what is that? There is inequality. I know that there is inequality. Someone is more rich and someone is more poor. So there is a person who has a lot of properties and he has homes, he has luxury life, he has a lot of money. But all of a sudden what happens, government comes and announces that from now and then onwards there will be socialism, means money, the property will be equal among the people. No one will be more rich, no one will be more poor. So would you agree with government? Of course not. Yep. By the hard work, you worked hard a lot, your parents, your grandfather, they worked hard a lot earlier, then they gave their property to you. Now would you like that your property should be distributed among the people? Of course not. You have a lot of money, now government says that distribute your money among the people. Will you agree with the government? Of course not, sister. Why will I agree with the government?
Okay, brother, as you are saying that in capitalism, you agree that some people are too much rich, some people are too much poor. So listen, according to inequality report of 2022, the top 10% people of the world have 76% wealth, and total 50% people have only 2% wealth. So you tell me why it is happening and is it good?
Now let me mention about the she is mentioning same thing again and again. So now let me mention about my points, that if there is capitalism, so people will have more options to do job, okay, to start their business. People will have their own choice. But in socialism, there is only one government which will create the jobs among the people, which will provide the jobs to the people. Can you think that can a single government create crores of jobs among the people? Of course not. Can one government create the technology? Can one government create the creativity among the people? Of course not. If people will have their own choices to create the technology, to create the jobs, so people will have the more options. As you can see that now in most of the countries capitalism is followed, and most of the capitalist countries are developed in the world. For instances, USA and India and Japan, other more technical and developed countries are following capitalism. And sister is saying that socialism is good because someone has more money, someone has less money. If person worked hard, so he will get according to his hard work. Suppose there is a person who cracked NEET and he did PG, he did specialization, so of course he will get more result, he will get more money than that person who is peon. So why he should get the same salary equal to the peon? Of course not, because he worked hard more. His respect and his image is not equal among miss in front of the eye of the people.
Okay, as brother you are saying that in capitalism government, I know that in some cases government is corrupt, and you know in socialism there is freedom, there is limit, you can invest your money. In socialism also it's not like that. And what about that person who don't have money from starting, who is poor? And listen, in Sweden and Norway, these countries are also socialist countries, and the income inequality rate is very low in Sweden and Norway. For example, in Sweden, the Gini index is about 0.27. It means there is high equality. Meanwhile, the data of the US is about 0.41. And if I talk about Cuba and Norway, so these countries are also socialist countries. And in Cuba and Norway, the healthcare is free for everyone. But in US, you know, till 2022, total 27 million people didn't have health insurance. So what you want to tell about this thing?
People who don't have money, for them in India there are government hospitals. Yes, there are government hospitals. Second, she mentioned about Cuba and Norway. Have you heard these countries most of the time that Cuba is developing? Cuba is most powerful country in the world. Norway, have you ever heard? No, sister. So how can you say that these countries are developed? You have heard more about USA, Japan, India, and other countries, and Israel. That's all. Sir, maybe.